Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to use AI smart image matching on this device. So first of all, let's open Photos application on your device and let's open any photo. You want to long press on the main subject that you want to create a sticker of, like this. And you have several options. You can save it to file doc if you use your Smart Sidebar. You can release your finger to add it right here. The second option is that you can tap Add Sticker, like this. I will show you later where you can find it. Or the third option, that you can press and hold the subject, and now using your second hand, let's open any application where you want to insert this sticker and release your finger to add this sticker. Okay, so there is some kind of problem. Let me try it once again. Yes, so you can do that in any messenger application or any other application that you want. Okay, now let's go to Smart Sidebar like this, and additionally you can drag this sticker to add the sticker to any kind of application. Okay, if you tapped a save option, so when you long press and when you select Add Sticker, you want to go to editing mode. So let's tap this pencil icon and scroll to section Stickers. So here is my sticker that I just added, and if I tap on it, I can add it. I can add this sticker to my photo. So like this, let's tap Done button. And you can tap Save button in order to save it to your gallery. You can replace original or you can save a copy of this photo. So this is my original image and this is the photo that I have just created. The same way you can do it for another applications. Let's tap this, not application, sorry, but photos. Let's wait a little bit. Let's find stickers, select this sticker, and you can insert it to this photo. So that's how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.